from Middle Ages to, let's say, to 18th century for a first long period. You have the shaping of a specific culture, a common culture from, let's say, northern Italy to Switzerland, Alsace and Lorraine, Amsterdam and Germany and Bohemia, Moravia and Eastern Europe. So, and also inside this, what is also very important in the Yiddish culture, is inside you have subcultures, not only dialects, but also specific rituals, specific customs. What is extremely interesting and fascinating in Ashkenazi culture is this common framework, these common values, and also the a lot of subcultures, and so it's this tension, this dialectic between the unity and the micro society and micro cultures with specific features, and so it's why it's so complex and so vivid and living culture.